Hey, welcome back friends. So in last video we have successfully created our category.php file, and you can see here I have just updated our categories. Now in this video we are going to create a new file which will be product. Okay, so from this video we are going to work with product.php file. So first we need to create a new file which name will be product.php, or we can give 8product.php. So open our code editor, Visual Studio Code, and let's go on blank.php and select all code, and first let's copy and select UI folder. This UI folder we need to select because we are going to create a new file in UI folder, not in this UI folder. Okay, you can see here. So let's create on, click on new file, and new file name I'm going to give 8product.php. Press enter, and now we have successfully created 8product.php file. And now let's paste all the code from which we have copied from blank.php. I'm going to paste that code in that file. Okay, now let's save, and let's give here 8product. Okay, and after that here we have our card body and card header. So what we need, first let's save our file and open that file here, 8product.php. okay, you can see that, and we can do some changes. Let's go on category.php file and copy that code from category.php file. Let's come back on 8product.php and remove that and paste it here. Okay, our connectdb.php file we have 8 here. Now let's save and see the output again. Refresh our page, and you can see here our username. Okay, and what we need to do, you can see here this section featured. This section we will divide in two parts. We already know our Bootstrap is working on 12 grid system, so here we will divide it in two parts. First part is in 6th grid and second part is also in the 6th grid. Okay, and now we can save our time. We can go on category.php file and we can copy the code simply from the form. You can see here this form tag, starting form tag, and you can see here the close form tag. Okay, so from the close form tag to starting form tag I am going to copy the code from category.php file, and I will explain you what I have done here. And first let me copy that, and let's go on product.php and let's go inside our card body. So we need to remove this. First remove this, and first let's check. Okay, you can see here the card body. Just before the card body division we have form tag. So in product.php you can see here we have already card body division tag, and we are going to remove this first. Okay, because we have copied the card body division from category.php file, and I am going to paste that division in this 8product.php file. Okay, and what I need to do, simply here you can see card header and form tag and card body starting tag, then row. And now let's remove this PHP code from here. Okay, cut this. You can see here the close tag of PHP, and I have just selected from the starting tag of PHP. So I am going to remove this tag. Okay, you can see here the division class row, and after that okay, let's control Z and let's see. You can see here call division call md and -4. So we need to give this call -md -6 here. Okay, so now control Y, or we can delete that code here, and in the row I need to give new division class call -md -6. Okay, and now close the division. Perfect. Give here double quote. Okay, and you can see here call -md8. So here we need to give 6 again, because we have divided our division into two parts. So let's remove this table code. This is the starting tag of table, and let's see the close tag of table. Okay, here we have the close tag of table. Let's select from the closing tag of the table to starting tag of the table. So select and cut. Perfect. Now you can see here we have two division. First division is, you can see call -md -6. Other division is also called -md -6. So let me give here a tag, h2 tag, give here 6, then close. Let me copy this and let's paste inside the second division. Now let's save our file and see the output. What is the output? Refresh our page. Perfect. You can see here add product, and our division is divided into two parts. Okay, now we can add here the text fields and select box and the description box and the button and so on. So let's create, or we can copy from the category.php file and from the registration.php file. So first here give product. Okay, let's save and let's remove this h2 tags. And in the first division, first of all I need to give here let's go on the registration.php, and for the name I can copy this, copy. You can see here registration.php, and this text field code I am going to copy from here. Let's copy, and the first text field will be barcode. Okay, paste, and the first will be barcode and second will be product name, and we can give here txt barcode and txt pname, product name. Okay, and what I can do here, enter barcode. Okay, now let's save and see the output. Perfect. You can see here first field is for the barcode, and second field is the product name, and third field will be category. So for the category we need to the select box. So select box code of the select box we can copy from here on the registration.php. Let's copy and let's go back on addProduct.php, and we can give here category. Okay, now let's save. After the category I need a description, so we need a text area. So let's see the output. Perfect. Okay, so you can see here the barcode and the product name and the category. Okay, we will fetch out the data from the category database table. Okay, after that we will add the description here, and we will add the stock field, and we will add the purchase price, sell price, and choose image also. Okay, so I hope in this video it is enough. If you have any problem, you can ask me the question. We will continue to design this form from the next video. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So let's continue our product.php file, and in the previous video we have added the barcode field, product name field, and the category field. And now after the category we need to add a description. So for the description, let's go on our code editor, and from here I can copy this line of code, and instead of input, let me show you. Instead of this input, I can give here the text area. Okay, so let me write text area. Okay, and let me close here. Perfect. But inside the text area, the type of the text area, we can remove the type. Okay, and the class will be form control, and placeholder enter description, and name attribute will be txt description, and one attribute we need to give here rows, and the rows will be 4. Okay, now let's save and let's see the output. Refresh our file. Perfect. Okay, you can see here enter description. We need to change here description. Okay, and we can remove this example input, and we can remove this from here. Okay, and from here. Perfect. Let's save and see the output. Okay, and now we have barcode, product name, a category, and description. Now we need here stock field, then purchase price, then sell price, and then choose image option. So simply in the second division you can see here call class call hyphen md hyphen 6, and inside this now I can write code for the stock. So I just paste again date line, input type text, and input type we need here number instead of text. Okay, and class will be form control, placeholder enter stock, and let me give the space here, and txt stock. Okay, now let's save and see the output. Perfect. You can see here we can increase the number from here 1 2 3 5, and we can give any number here. And now you can see here we cannot input the alphabets in this field. This is only for the numbers. So we can give here the name stock instead of product name. Let's go on our editor and remove this first, and here I can give stock quantity. Okay, and here one thing more I can give here the attribute which will be the min. Okay, and min is equal to, I can give here 1. Okay, and another attribute will be step. Okay, and the step I can give any. Let's save and let's go on our browser. Let's refresh, and now you can see the stock quantity, and you can see here we can increase 1 2, and we can decrease, but we cannot back to the -1, -2 or the 0, because we have given here the min attribute is 1. Okay, and you can see here on my browser the input step attribute or about the min attribute. The min attribute specifies the minimum value for an input element, and use the min attribute together with the max attribute to create range of legal values and so on. Okay, and just like that you can see here the step attribute of the HTML tags. The step attribute specifies the interval between legal numbers in an input element. Example, if step 3 legal numbers could be -3, 0, 3 and 6, etc. Okay, so we have given there this any instead of any number. So let's go on our browser and you can see the code. So the same code we can copy for our let me arrange the lines for the purchase price and for the sale price. So let's copy this, and just after that let's paste and give here the purchase price, and here we can give txt purchase price. Okay, and the same thing we can do here sale price, and let's copy the sale price and give here txt sale price. Let's remove the space between them, and now let's save and let's see the output. Refresh our. Perfect. You can see here the barcode, the product name, category, description, the stock quantity and the purchase price. We can increase the number from here. Okay, and we can give here the number, and you can see the sale price. And after that here we need a button for choose the image of the product or item. So let me write code for that, and simply let's copy this line and just paste here, and simply here division class form group, and for the label here I can give simple product image, and after the product image the type input type will be file instead of text. So for the image we are using here file. Then class, okay, class form control, but instead of form control here I am going to give input group hyphen group. Okay, and the placeholder we don't need here the placeholder, so remove this, and name attribute we can give here product image, product image, and it is required. Yes, it is required, but after the input I can give here the paragraph tag p tag, and inside the p tag I can write upload image. Okay, perfect. Now let's save and see the output. Perfect. You can see here product image. We can choose the image from here. You can see I have lots of sample images we will upload in our product.php file when we write code. Okay, and now let's cancel, and now we need to add a button. Okay, add a button here. So what I need to do, simply let's go on our text editor and let's go on our registration.php, and in the footer you can see we have the code of the button. So let's copy this code and let's go on at product.php, and just before the form tag let's paste the button here, save and see the output. It is working or not. So you can see here save button. Oh, let's remove this from here and let's paste just after this. Okay, and let's save and see the output. Okay, so let's open our code editor and Control Z. And after this I will paste that button code. Okay, submit, save. And one thing more I can give here for the button, I can give here a division class, and the class I can give here text center, and I can close this division here. Save, and let's see the output. Perfect, you can see here it is responsive. You can see here the responsive view of this page. Awesome, perfect. And we can choose the image here, we can save, we can give the name here, save product. Okay, and the button will be the primary, save product. Okay, so I hope you got this what I have done here. In the next video we will write code for saving all the records, and we will fetch out the categories from the database, and we will write code for choose the image and for saving the image using of this button. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask me the question, and we will work with the barcode from the next video. I will show you how can we add the barcode library for saving the barcode of any product, or I will show you a technique to produce or to generate a random barcode for any product which have no any barcode. Okay, so see you in next video.
Hey, alright friends, welcome in this video lecture. In this video lecture I'm going to show you about the files. How can we work with files in PHP? We will work with images like JPEG, PNG and GIF images. Okay, we will upload the files on a folder using of PHP code. So how can we work with files? Let's see. So here I already created a file which name is file upload.php. You can see here. Okay, and first I need to start server. Remember, every time we need to start server before writing the code of PHP. Okay, so I started a server which is name is Apache, and when we will work with database we will also need to start this MySQL, but we are not starting now because we just creating a PHP file without database. Okay, so first of all here I need to create a HTML code. Okay, and here in this HTML code I need to create a form, and in form I need to define attribute which is name is method, and in method and I give type, method type is post. Okay, when we work with files, every time it is compulsory to give method type is post. Okay, and here is a new attribute which is name is enc, and type means encryption type, and it is used when we work with files. Okay, so multi-part /form/ means hyphen data. Okay, and you can see here we work in this same page, so that's why I am not define any a PHP file here. Okay, we will write PHP code on in this same page. But first I need to create to write a code for input type file. So input and my file. Okay, let's save. You can see here this is the input, which is type of file, and I am giving a new attribute here in this form. You can see here end type, and in end type I give multi-part / form data. When we work with files, we use these attribute. Okay, it is compulsory to use with files. So now the next, let's save. Yes, you can see here in the output a submit button, which is name is upload, and we can choose file from this choose file button. Okay, here I will write code for PHP. I will use isSet function and the name of the button I will give here. Okay, because when we click this button, we need the output. Okay, so here you can see the input type of file, which name attribute is my file. Okay, when we work with files, we use $_ files instead of $_ okay, when we work with this file input. So it contains multiple value. If I give the file name here, and let's see the output, what will be the output if I echo these $_ file, what will be the result? Let's check. If I choose a file, for example, I choose an image, then upload. Yeah, you can see here it is type of array to string conversion. It gives error to string conversion because it is an array type and it contains multiple values. So I use print_r function to see its multiple values. Okay, I copy, let's save. Let's see the output. You can see here name and type, and another is tmp_name, means temporary name, which is and temporary path, which is on temporary path. This is a temporary path where our image is uploaded. Okay, and this is error, and this is size in bytes. Okay, if I use here a pre-tag of HTML pre-tag, then we can see the result in a good format. Echo p and terminate, then save. Yes, you can see here. Okay, you can see here the result. First value is name, second is type, and third is tmp_name, and fourth is error, and fifth is size. And you can see here the image name is 1.jpg and type image which is JPEG, and temporary path of image where it is uploaded is this, and error is 0, and size in bytes. So from these values we can apply the conditions. For example, if we don't want to the image upload greater than 1 MB, so we can use the size, and we can apply using of the size to compare the images values in size. Okay, so comment this line and cut this print underscore r, and I take value of this dollar file in a variable f underscore. For example, name, I create a new variable dollar f underscore name, and I can take the value of my file, for example of name in this f name. Okay, I use these name here with my file name. You can see here my file, my attribute of file name is my file, and I use my file here, and I use these name here for getting the name of the file in my variable. Okay, and then I can take dollar underscore file, I copy this line and paste here same, and here I can take this tmp name. Okay, copy. You can see here I get this path, this temporary path in my variable dollar f underscore tmp like this. Okay, and now next is I create a variable which name is store, and in this variable I can define a folder name which is name will be upload. Okay, and I can concatenate in this upload folder my file name. Why I do this? Because I want to upload my image on this folder. Okay, upload folder. Where it is this upload folder? Let me show you. Here are all files of PHP we have created now. Okay, so here you can see I created a new folder which is name is upload. In this folder I will upload all the images. Okay, using of PHP code. You can see here the path in C drive, XAMPP, htdocs and PHP basics folder. Here are all our PHP files. Okay, and with these PHP files I create a folder which name is upload, and in this folder we will upload all files. Okay, so minimize this, and here I create a variable which is name is store, and in this variable I use this upload folder name, and I use dot for concatenate the file name here. Okay, and then I use a function to move file from this temporary path to this path. Okay, so what should I do? Simple, move upload file. I use this method. In this method we pass two parameters. What parameters? We can pass our temporary path in first parameter, and in second parameter we can pass where we want to place our image or where we want to upload our image. Okay, simple. This is inbuilt method of PHP, just we are using. Okay, let's check. First you can see here the type of array with $_file, which is type of array, and it contains the name, the type, the tmp underscore name, error, and size. This is very useful, and we use in our code to get these all values: 1.jpg image, jpeg, and the temporary path and errors and the size of the image. Okay, so let's save and check we are able to upload our files or not. Okay, the output is, you can see here in the output window, and let's choose a file. For example, you can see here from this image folder I am choosing this file, which this image name is 1. Okay, 1.jpg, and then upload. Let's check our upload folder. There is no any file. What's the mistake I have done? Okay, here I need to use a forward slash. That's why it's not uploading any image. Okay, because we need to define inside the upload folder we want to place our image or file. Okay, that's why we need to use a forward slash here. Okay, let's check again. Save, choose file name is 1.jpg. Oh, I think I click multiple times. Then upload. Okay, let's check upload folder. Yes, we can see here our file is uploaded successfully. Okay, let's check again. Choose file, and I choose this hard disk. Okay, hard disk.jpg, then upload. Let's check the upload folder. Yes, successfully upload. Okay, now we can apply the if condition to see the message the file is uploaded or not. Okay, so simple. Copy this line and write if, and in if I can pass this, and I can echo a message here: file is uploaded. Okay, then terminate. Let's save. Again I'm opening the window from starting a fresh file. You can see here we can start a fresh file from this button. Okay, so now let's check. Choose file. If I choose iPad, means image, and then upload, you can see here the message file is uploaded. Okay, let's check the file in our upload folder. Yeah, file is uploaded successfully, iPad. But here is a problem. What problem? When we upload a same file, for example, if I upload this hard disk and then upload, let's check, it's replaced the file. Okay, but we don't want to replace the file, so what we need to do? So how can we apply the condition in this code? I will show you in next video. I will show you about how can we check the size of file, and how can we give a unique name of the file. Okay, or lots of things I will tell you in the next video. So I hope you will get what I am saying and what I explained you in this video. Okay, so see you in next video. Welcome my dear students. In the last video I have shown you about the files, how can we uploaded a file in a folder using of PHP code. So in this video I am going to show you how can we apply conditions like the size of file, how can we check the size of file, and how can we check the extension of file, and how can we give a unique name of a file. Okay, so let's start. Simply first I remove this code and I am going to create a new variable. For example, the variable name will be size. Okay, and again the same thing I copy and I can paste it here, $_file, and from my files I am taking the size. Okay, then terminate. Now we can check the size of files using of echo statement. I can echo and then save. Okay, you can see here, but I need to start a fresh file. You can see here we can choose a image file. For example, this one.jpg. you can see here we can simply echo the file size. Okay, you can see here the file size which is in bytes, 171741 byte. Okay, so here you can see 1 megabyte is equal to 10 lakhs byte. Okay, now let's check the extension. Now I can create a new variable which name will be extension, $f_extension. Okay, and in this, for this variable I can use a method, inbuilt method explode. Okay, in previous video I have shown you about the explode method and implode method. How can we use this explode method? We know explode method is used to convert a string into an array. Okay, simply it take two arguments. First is separator. We can separate our string by dot into array. Okay, and in second parameter we can give the name of our file. Okay, now we can see by echo, let's save. As you can see, this is an array, so we need to use print_r function. I can use here and I can copy and paste. Let's save. So here you can see there are two elements in our array, 0 and 1. On 0 index here is 1, and on 1 index here is the extension of the file. Let's again take another file which for example laptop, and if I upload, yes, you can see here on first element here is laptop, and in second element here is the extension of the file. Okay, this we can get out from this explode method by the help of this explode method. Now we will use this jpg for comparing the which file we are uploading, it is jpg or not, or it is png or not, or it is gif or not. Okay, so how can we do this? Simple. Now take this extension in another variable. Again I am taking this variable $f_extension. Okay, and in this I can use AND method. It is an inbuilt method. Okay, and in AND method I can pass this variable.
Okay, now let's echo. Yes, you can see here. Now it's JPG. AND method is used to take the last element of the array, to take out the last element of the array. See that this was the last element of the array, JPG. So we take out from with the help of AND method the last element or extension of the file from this AND method, and we save in this variable. Okay, now we will check. We can put here a condition, if else condition. For example, I can check $f underscore extension is equal to JPG. Okay, or I can use or sign here and equal to PNG. Okay, and again I can use here or sign, and again I can check, I can compare from zip file. Okay, and then we can echo. Save. If I take a hard disk and then upload, the messages file is right. Okay, but if I upload, you can see here a text file and then upload, you can see here the message only JPG, PNG and GIF can be uploaded. Okay, so this is the use of this AND method and this explode method. We can apply the condition for checking the type of images. Okay, and I can also use another inbuilt method of PHP, which method is str to lower. Okay, and why I am using this method, let me explain you. Maybe your file extension is in capital letter like JPG. Okay, if the file extension comes in capital letter, then with the help of this str to lower method we can get this extension in small letters. Okay, if we get the extension of file in capital letter, but with the help of this str to lower method we can smaller the extension of the file. So we don't need to write extra code here for checking the capital letter or a small letter. That's why we are using str to lower method here. Okay, and now you can see the code. Okay, if I open a fresh file here, okay, so this is all about the checking for extension and checking for type of file. Now we are going to write code for checking the size of file. How can we check the size? Okay, so simply here I can use if else condition again. If the file size greater than or equal to 1 MB, I am defining 1 MB into bytes. I can write like this. Okay, so we can show a message here. We can show a message here, max file should be 1 MB. Okay, and in else section, if the file is less than 1 MB, then here I can use again if condition. I can use inbuilt method, which is move underscore uploaded underscore file here, and in this method I can pass two parameter here. First is these $f underscore tmp for temporary path, and the second is, you can see here, the store. Okay, copy and store. Now save file and let's check. Choose file. You can see here this file is greater than 1 MB. Okay, I can show here for in images. You can see here the property, and the size of file is 1.01 MB. Okay, so if I choose this file and then upload, then you can see the message here, max file should be 1 MB. Okay, so this statement is execute because the file size is greater than from 1 MB. Okay, so this is the use of $f underscore size, and we can apply the condition for checking the extension of the file like this. Okay, and we can apply the condition for checking the size of a image file like this. Okay, now the third thing is, how can we stop replacing the file? When we upload a same file, then it will replace, but I don't want to replace any file. I want to upload file with different name. Okay, so how can we do this? Simple. Here I can create a new variable, for example $f underscore new file, and here I can use a method which name is unique id. Okay, and here I can concatenate by dot its extension. Okay, so I can hit this variable here, then terminate. Okay, now we can see this echo, and let's save. Yes, you can see here, if I choose this one and then upload, you can see here this was the one.jpg, but now this name is this unique id .jpg. Okay, then this upload message we can show here. Okay, if I comment this, then again save, clearly you can see here the different name. Okay, again if I choose the same file and then upload, then it will upload by different name here. Let's check in the folder, in the upload folder. It's not uploaded now, because why it is not uploaded, but it's changed the name. Okay, you can see here it is not uploaded because we are giving old name here, ftemp, and you can see here a variable $store, and here you can see here in $store, and here I pass $f underscore name, which is old name. Okay, so first I need to copy this line and cut from here, and I need to paste it here, and then I need to copy this $f new file, and then I need to paste it here. Okay, because
Now the file is with new name, not with the old name. Okay, so after this I place this line. After this variable I place this line, $store is equal to then our folder name and then new file. Okay, then save, and we can choose again, for example this one, and upload. Now let's check. Yes, you can see here. Okay, if I delete all file from here, now check again and cut this and start a new fresh file. Okay, and if I remove echo here, then it will not show the name on the browser. It will directly save, and I can uncomment this uploaded successful message here. Okay, then again save. Now let's check this file, which name is 1.jpg. I select and I upload it successful. Now let's go in upload folder. You can see here the file name is changed now. Okay, if I again select that file and upload, then again check in that folder. Yes, you can see here it's not replaced, it's saved from a different ID or from a different name. Okay, so I hope you will get what I am saying, and I think you may be a doubt in this video lecture. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me a question. Okay, so see you in next video.
Hey, welcome back friends. In this video we are going to continue our addproduct.php file, and in this video I will tell you how can we fetch out the data means category in this drop down. Okay, and the next thing I will show you, we will create a database table for this page for addproduct.php file. So first of all, let's continue work with us category. We need to fetch out the category from the database. You can see here we have database POS underscore barcode underscore DB, and here we have our table category, and in this category table you can see the lots of categories. Okay, and this data we will fetch out in this drop down. So how can we do this? Simply let's go on our code editor, and here we have addproduct.php, and here you can see our code. Here we have code for our drop down, and we can work here and we can give here select category instead of select role, and let's remove this one option, and here I can write the PHP code. Simply the starting tag of PHP I need to write here PHP, then here I need to write simple a select query. So $select, let me write. Now let's save our file and let's see it is working or not. Open our browser and refresh, and you can see a select category. Perfect, you can see that our category is able to see here. We are able to see here the categories. We can select any category from here. if I want to select fashion, if I want to select mobiles, and if I want to select healthcare, and if I want to select fashion, I can select any of them. Okay, baby and kids and so on. Okay, uh, there are lots of categories we can update, and I can delete from here. Okay, so I hope you got it. Let me explain you what I have done here. uh, Let me open our browser, and here simply I just wrote a simple query, $select PDO, prepare a statement and select a stick from table category. From table category you can see here our database table, table category, and from table category I just select category. You can see here, select a stick from table category means I select all the means cat ID and category both. I just select it from here, and here I use order by cat ID descending. Okay, and I just use here select then execute, and I just use here a while loop, and in the while loop I just use $row. I create a new variable $row, and in this $row I just get out all the value using of this method. Select then fetch, and then PDO, then scope resolution operator, and I use here fetch underscore SOC array method. Okay, association. So then I just use extract method here, and I just extract all the data in $row, and using of $row I just showed here, I just echo here $row and category from the database table. Okay, and I just open again the PHP, and I just close here. Okay, so this I have done in this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me that question. Okay, so see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video we are going to create our database table for our 8product.php file. You can see here the fields, how much fields we have here. First is for the barcode 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and one will be the ID, product ID. Okay, so we have 9 records, so we need to create 9 columns for our database table. Let's open. You can see here we have our database, and we have 2 tables now in this our database, and a new table we are going to create. Simple give name here tbl underscore product. Okay, so our table name is tbl underscore product, and how much column we need here? We need here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, 9 column. So give here 9, and let's click on create. Now here we need to give the names of the column. First will be the PID. P is stand for product, and ID is for ID means identification. Okay, product ID. The product ID will be auto increment and primary key. So from where we can do that, simply you can see here, from here I can check this checkbox, and you can see here primary key, and it will a unique ID, and length I'm going to give here 11, and second will be the product. Okay, so product, no, second will be the barcode, and third will be the product, fourth will be the description, and fifth will be, let me see, barcode, product, category, description, stock quantity, purchase price, sell price. So here instead of description, we need to give here after the product category, and after the category we need to give here description, and then here stock, and then here purchase price, and here I need sell price. After the sell price, image. Okay, now here we need to give the data type. types of the data. So the barcode, for the barcode I am going to give a varchar. So barcode may be an alphabet or a numerical value. So here I will give 1000 instead of 200, and product name will be also the varchar, and 200, length value is 200, and category also will be the varchar, and description also will be the varchar, and stock will be the float instead of integer. Okay, and purchase price will also type of float. Stock will be the integer, not I am taking float, I am taking here integer. Stock not contain the decimal value. Okay, it will also the numerical value only, and purchase price may be the decimal value, so that's why I have given here float. And sell price, we need to select here float, so data type will be the float. And for the image I am taking here varchar, because we will save only the image name in our database, so that's why I am taking here varchar. Let me check. Perfect. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so we have 9 columns for our database. Now let's click on save. Perfect. You can see here first is PID, second is barcode, third is product, fifth is category, fourth is category, and fifth is description, stock, purchase price, sell price, and image. Let's check. Barcode, then ID, then barcode, then product, then category, then description, then stock quantity. After the stock quantity we have purchase price, okay, and then sell price and the image, then we have save button. Okay, so our database is successfully created. We will continue in next video. We will insert all the value from our you can see here from our product.php file. So I hope you got this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So now in this video we are going to write code for save product in our database, and I have added 2 videos just before this video. In that video you can learn the basics about the files and images, and I have taught the very basics or very deeply about the files and images. You can learn from that 2 videos. What is the benefit of that videos? Which I have used that videos from my previous series, and I have added it 2 videos from my previous series. So don't be confused. That is only the basics about the files and images, and that code we are going to use in our page. So for saving the time, I'm using and I'm reusing that code in our product.php file. So in this video we are going to save the data from this fields, and we will add the barcode from the barcode reader. We will read the barcode from the barcode scanner of the product. Okay, and we will add or we will save all the data into our database. So let me open our database table. Our database table is inside the local host and PHP myadmin. So don't be confused, this is our database, pos underscore barcode underscore db. Let's open tbl underscore product, and you can see the column name of this database table. First is PID, second is barcode, product, then category, then description, then stock, purchase price, sell price, and image. So about the image or file we have already learned in the previous 2 videos. Okay, so let's open our code editor, and here we have add product.php. So what I am going to do in this video, simply from here we are going to write code. Just we are getting data from the text field into our new variables. So in our browser you can see here our text fields. and drop down and the description and all the text field and choose files. So what I need to do, simply here I need to write if condition. Inside the if, I will use again set method. I am checking here $_post and inside I will use here the button name attribute. So let's see the button name attribute. What is our button name? You can see in the footer BT and save. So let's copy. You can see here the button primary and BT and save. So this name attribute I'm going to use here. So let's paste, and after this I need to write $barcode new variable. So in that variable I can get the value of barcode text field in this variable. So it is showing some error, so give here close. Okay, perfect. Now let me write the code, then I will explain you. Okay, let's check from where I'm getting the value in that variables. You can see here the txt barcode, txt product, txt category, txt description, and txt stock, and txt purchase price, and txt sell price. So that all the name attribute of the fields you can see here: txt barcode, txt product name. Okay, here the name attribute is txt product name, so we need to give here txt product name, not txt product. Okay, now let's check for the category, txt category. For the category you can see the name attribute is txt select underscore option. So let's copy this, copy, and let's give there. Okay, so that is the very silly mistake and small mistakes we have done sometimes, and they will create problem for us. So now let's see for the txt description, it is okay, and let's see txt stock, it is also okay, and the purchase price also okay, and the sell price you can see here S is the capital letter, and give here a small letter, txt sell price. After this, here the name attribute is product image of our file. So first let's give here txt sell price. Now let's save, and all the variable we have wrote for the text fields, and now we need a file code for the images. Okay, so for the image you can see here we have file upload.php from the previous videos. Let me open, and I can copy all the code from here for our file or our image. So let me copy this, and I will explain you one by one what I have done here, so don't be confused. Okay, so let's copy this code, and let's go back on add product.php, and here let's paste. Perfect. So here we can give we can change the folder name. We can give here product images. Okay, and we will create this folder in our project. I will tell you how can we add. Okay, first let me give here let me copy this, because the file may be jpg or jpeg. So let me add here jpeg or jpeg, we can say. So here we are giving 4 extensions: jpg, jpeg, png, and the gif. Okay, and after this you can see here the file name, my file. This my file I am going to give there. Let me copy this my file, and in the place of name attribute of the file I will give my file. Okay, I am going to remove this product image. I am going to give here my file, the name attribute of file or images. Okay, so don't be confused, you can see that. And one thing more we can do here, okay, we can create a folder. So let's copy this folder name and open our project, open our folder, and let's go on this PC and let's go in C drive, and here in XAMPP we can go inside the XAMPP folder, and inside the XAMPP folder we need to go in htdocs, and inside the htdocs this is our project folder, POS barcode. So let's open this, and here we have our folder UI. Inside this folder all our files is residing. Okay, so here I am going to give new folder. So right click and go to new and click on folder, and let paste by pressing Ctrl+V. So product images, enter, and our product images folder is created successful. So in this folder our images will save when we click on save products. Okay, so minimize this, and you can see here now we can write code for add the data or insert the data into database. Okay, so in the next video we will write code for insert query. I hope you got this what I have done in this video. So we will continue this video in next video. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So now in this video let's continue to write code for insert the data into our database. But before this we can write or we can copy the suite alerts code from the category.php file. So let's go on category.php file, and here we can copy this code for suite alert. This is the opening tag of PHP and this is the close. So let me copy this and let's go on add product, and just below the footer I can paste that suite alert code, and just like that I can copy the output code for the suite alert. Simply let me copy this. Let's copy this warning, and let's come back on add product.php, and we have already added the header.php. okay, and at this place instead of this echo we can add here this session. Using of session variable we can show this message, maximum file should be 1 MB. So let's copy this and let's paste it here. Okay, and remove this echo. Okay, and after that remove this echo from here, and you can see this method move underscore uploaded underscore file. So in this if condition I can write my code. And one thing more, first let me copy this, copy, and I can add this line also here. So paste this and copy this code, only copy from here and give here, paste, only JPG, okay, comma JPEG, comma PNG and GIF can be uploaded. Okay, so the warning message we have shown here. Remove this echo and save our file, and let's go here in this section. You can see this if, okay, if move underscore upload underscore file, and we can write code from here. So here first of all I am going to create a new variable which name will be product image, and in this variable I will get the value of product image from this variable. Okay, $f underscore new file, copy this and let's paste here. Then terminate this line by semicolon, and after this I can use a if condition, if and else, and here inside the if and else I can write the code. And in the if condition, what I am going to write, simply here I am going to use empty method. Okay, and inside the empty method I will check dollar barcode. Okay, and remove this, it will giving us error. And okay, again remove this. Perfect. You can see here if dollar barcode means this text field, barcode field, if the barcode field is empty, or when the barcode field is empty, or we are saving the data by giving the product name and by selecting the category or description, it means when a product does not contain any barcode, we will left this field empty. Okay, and we will write code for generate the automatic barcode for our product. So don't be confused, here we are using a simple condition. Okay, and in this section we will write code in next video, but in else section we will write code in this video. So for temporary reason I am just using here this sweet alert. Okay, here I am going to show message, we will write code here. So now in the else section I am going to write code for insert the data into the database, and after writing successful code we will work on this if section. Okay, don't be confused, we will write our logic for generating the barcode which product does not have barcode. Okay, so let's write code for that product which contain the barcode from the companies or the organization. So first here I will write dollar insert. Okay, let me write, then I will explain you. Okay, perfect. Now we have successfully wrote the code for insert the data into our database. You can see here insert, I just wrote the query, insert query, and I use here bind parameter for avoid the SQL injections. Now let's save our file and see our code is working or not. Open our browser, refresh our file, and here in a barcode field I am going to use a barcode scanner and a simple small product which is stapler pins. Okay, and I am going to read the barcode from my barcode reader, and in the next video I will show you the live demo of my barcode reader, and I will show you how can we read a barcode of a product from barcode reader. Okay, so first let me check my code is working or not, then I will show you how can I done this. So let's start. Okay, perfect. We have scanned our barcode from the products, so our product name is kangaroo stapler pins. Okay, so kangaroo stapler pins, and from here I need to select the category, so I can select the category, any category from here. So let's select the hardware and give the description. So let me give here number is 1 10 mm. Okay, so I just given the small description here first. Okay, the stock quantity is I have 500, and enter the stock. Okay, we need to change this. Enter stock, instead of enter stock I need to give here purchase price. So the purchase price I am going to give here 30, and the sale price I am going to give here 50, for example. And let's choose the image of that product. I have just downloaded the product images, some product images from the Google. So let's choose. Okay, and let's go on desktop, and on the desktop open product images. So this is the product image, kangaroo stapler pin. So let's select. Okay, and let's save and see it is our code is working or not. If it is give us the error, so we need to change our source code. So click on save product. So it is giving us warning only JPG, JPEG, PNG and GIF can be uploaded. Okay, and it is giving us the error in my file and undefined array my file, line number 21, then line number 22. Okay, null my file. Okay, so 21, 22 and 23. And let's check our database. Our data is inserted or not. Okay, not inserted. So let's open and let's see here image, and here is our file name is my file. So my file and product images. Okay, it is giving us error. Name my file required, and okay, one thing more, what I need to add here, which is very important. I forgot to add that line in our code. Okay, so what line I forgot? Let's go on form. You can see here the form and the action attribute or method, and here I need to give n type, enc type, and here I need to give multi-part form data. Okay, when we work with images in PHP, we need to add this attribute in our form tag. Okay, I think this is the error, or this was the error. Let's check our code is working or not, and save the file, and again open our browser, and let's refresh our page. Perfect. Now refresh our database. Okay, and now let's again scan our product. Okay, remove from here. Now scan again our product. Okay, and the product name is kangaroo stapler pin. Select the category, which is hardware, and description number is 10 mm. I'm going to give small description here. Stock quantity I'm going to give here 500. Purchase price is 30 and sale price is 50. And let's choose the image and click on save. Perfect. And now it is again giving us error, image cannot be null. Okay, so line number 67. So let's go on line number 67. So insert, okay, image, $image. So let's see, the variable name is okay, we need to pass here. You can see we have get out the image from in this variable $product image. So let's copy this. Okay, and let paste this variable instead of image, because we have not created any variable which name is image. Okay, let's paste. We have created this variable $product image. Now let's save again and let's go again on our browser, refresh our file or add product page, and again select the barcode and select the name and select the category and give description and enter the stock quantity 500 and purchase price is 30 and sell price is 50 and choose the image. Perfect. And save the product inserted. Okay, now let's see our database, refresh. Perfect. You can see here PID is 1, means product ID is 1, and this is our barcode, product barcode. Okay, this is our product barcode and this is our product name and is the category and the description, stock, purchase price, sell price, and the image. Now let's see our product folder. Okay, now let's see our product image folder, which is in our project. Let's go on PC and let's go in XAMPP and htdocs and then POS barcode, and let's go in UI and let's go in product images. Perfect. You can see here it is inserted 2 images here. Okay, so don't be confused. We are getting some error. Maybe possible our image inserted successful once a time. Okay, so we can remove any image. So I'm not removing any image from here. Okay, now let's see the another product. Now let's add the another product, and I'm going to insert read the another barcode of the product. I am going to read the barcode of the stapler, kangaroo stapler. Okay, so perfect. Okay, this is the kangaroo stapler, kangaroo stapler. This is not the pin, and let's select the category and give the description here. I'm going to give here number 10. Okay, and quantity I am going to give here 200, purchase price is 150 and sell price is 200, and let's choose the image. You can see the image of kangaroo stapler from here. Let's select and let's click on save product. Perfect, product inserted. So click OK and let's again check. Okay, you can see here our product inserted successful into the database. And now let's see our product images, and perfect. You can see here our product name, our project folder name, and UI and the product images, and you can see a new images inserted in our project. So I hope you got this what I have done here. Let me explain what I have done here. Simply I just use here if else condition. Inside this if condition, I'm just checking here empty dollar barcode. If the dollar barcode is empty, field is empty, then this code will execute. Otherwise barcode field is contain any barcode value, then this code will execute. Okay, so in this code what I have done here, simply I use insert query, insert into tbl underscore product. I inserted the barcode, product name and category, description, stock. These are all the our database table column names: the stock, purchase price, sale and image. Let me show you. Let me open my browser and you can see here barcode, product, category, description, stock, purchase price, sell price and image. So this all are the my database table column names, and here I just pass the values, means this is called the placeholder, barcode and product, category, description, stock, p price and sell price and img. So I can give any name here. It is not compulsory to give the same name here. Okay, but it is compulsory to give this same name here. Just like that, here is the placeholder is p price, and I have given here the p price in first argument, and in the second argument I just pass here dollar purchase price from here. You can see that. Okay, dollar purchase price. After that, there's the simple thing. I just pass here the dollar sale price, and here I just pass dollar product image. So dollar product image where I am getting, you can see here dollar product image, and dollar product image I am getting the image from this file, and this file you can see here. Okay, dollar new file. So then I just use insert and execute the code. If our product is inserted successfully, then we are going to show this message, and otherwise we are showing this message. So product inserted, we can give here product inserted successful. Okay, now let's save. I hope you got this. If you have any problem, you can ask me the question. So see you in next video. And now in this video I am going to show you how can we use barcode reader and how can we scan barcode from the barcode reader. So you can see here I am using this barcode reader. Okay, and this is Pegasus barcode reader. I will show you in which company I will show you on the internet the picture of this barcode reader, and I will give you the link from where you can purchase this barcode reader. Okay, so here is the USB cable of this barcode reader. We can insert on our laptop, and you can see here. Now it can read. Okay, and you can see here on our screen. Let me show you. First I have a product pouch. You can see here I have this Kisan fresh tomato ketchup pouch, and here is the barcode. Okay, so you can see here the field where I can scan the barcode. So let me zoom first, and you can see here enter barcode. So how can we read? You can see the barcode, and you can see this barcode scanner. Perfect, you can see that. Okay, here. So now we can put here the name of the product. So our product name is Kisan tomato ketchup, and we can select the category from here. Okay, and we can select the grocery, and description is 1.2 kg, and stock quantity is 200, and purchase price is 1110, and sale price is 160, and we can choose the image from here. Okay, and let's save. Inserted successful. Okay, and now we can insert a new product. I have another product. Let me show you. You can see that this is the Lenovo charger, and I can read this barcode of Lenovo charger. Okay, and let me first you can see here the field of barcode, and you can see that. Perfect. Okay, and I can give the name here. And we can choose the image from here. So let's choose and let's save. Perfect, product inserted successful. So I hope you got this. what I have done here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. So see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in the previous video we have successfully inserted the product details with the barcode. Now in this video I am going to show you how can we add the barcode, or how can we generate the barcode numbers for that product which does not contain the barcode numbers. Okay, for example, let me show you some pictures. If I open my product images from the desktop, if I minimize my browser and open this product images, and here you can see some product. You can see here date products. For example, the stapler pins was containing the barcode numbers and barcode stickers also, and here you can see the kangaroo stapler also containing this barcode from the company. Okay, but sometime we have date product which does not contain the barcode. For example, you can see date the spices, the mixed spices packet which the seller makes in his shop, or for example you can see the burger does not have its own barcode. And you can see the sugar packets, if the seller or shopkeeper make this own product or own packets for the sugar, so they need to create its own barcode numbers or barcode stickers. So in that condition, what the shopkeeper will do? So we have the solution. You can see here some products and examples. This is the best example about for the sugar packets. You can see here there is no barcode stickers. So how can we create or how can we generate, that we will learn in this video. So let's go in our code editor, and you can see here we have put it the condition in previous videos. If condition empty, if the $barcode variable is empty, then this code will execute. Otherwise, in else section this code will execute. Okay, and now in this section, if the barcode field is empty or $barcode variable is empty, for example, first let me cut this and let me open the browser, and you can see here we will this field we will leave empty, and we will fill the details from here. For example, for the sugar we can fill the name of the sugar, and we select the category and we put the description and the stock, the purchase price and the sell price and the image of the sugar. But we will not put the barcode number here because we don't have any barcode number for that product. So how can we generate? So for generating the barcode numbers in this video, we are going to write code, write PHP code for generating the barcode numbers, and from those numbers we will create the barcode stickers. Simple. Okay, so let's start. First open our code editor, and first let's go on our barcode field. You can see here the barcode text field code, and here we have put it the class required. So let me remove this required. Okay, now let's save, and simply what we need to do, here we need to write the code. So the same line of code we need to copy from here. Copy this, okay, and paste here, and remove this and terminate this. If remove this if, okay, and $insert, then execute and terminate the line. You can see here $insert bind param and barcode and the $barcode, but $barcode variable is empty, so that's why comment out this line. Okay, now we have here the product, category, description, stock, purchase price, sell price and image, product image. So after the execute, here we need to write the query or some conditions. So first let me write and then I will explain you what I have done here. So let me write.
Now let's save our file and let's see our code is working or not. If our code is working, then I will explain you what I have done here. If I have get the error, then we will see what error we are getting here. So let me open the browser and refresh our file, and I am leaving this field is empty, and here I am putting veg burger, and here the category I am vegetables and non-veg veg. Okay, select the veg, and description is I am going to give here small burger, and the stock quantity I am going to give here 100. Purchase price let me give here 50, and the sale price is 80, and let's choose the image, and choose image veg burger. You can see here I does not or I did not put any barcode numbers here, so our barcode number should be generated automatically using our PHP code. So let's create on save, but it giving us the error. So membind param and line number 52. Let's see the line number 52. So the line number 52 product. So here bind param dollar product. Okay, what the silly mistake I have done here. So sorry, here I need also the query, insert query. So let me copy the insert query. Let's copy and let paste here. Okay, and insert video, and let's remove this barcode from here, barcode column name, and also the placeholder of the barcode. Okay, and now let's save, and let's go on the browser, refresh our page, and let's put here the veg burger, and select here veg, and description is small, and let's give the stock here 100, and purchase price is 50, sale price is 80, and let's choose the image. Now let's click on save. You can see here the field is empty, and you can see here the database also. Here we have only 4 records and 4 barcode, and now click on save button. Product inserted successfully. Okay, now let's our database and refresh. Perfect. You can see here 12 5, the number 5, which is ID, our product ID, and you can see here 12 08 and 19. So what is the number is this, and what is the meaning of HIS here? So let me explain you what I have done here. Simply here we are checking our $barcode variable is empty. If $barcode variable is empty, means this barcode field is empty, then this code will execute. So what I have done here, simply I just copied the insert query. I just removed the barcode from here, barcode column name, because we are not inserting barcode here, barcode number here, and after that I just execute the insert query, and you can see here I just created a new variable which name is $PID. In $PID means product ID. I am getting out the last inserted ID using of this last inserted ID method. So which is the last inserted ID? Let me show you. In the database you can see here the last inserted ID was 5. PID you can see here 5, and you can see here also the 5. And let's go on the editor, and after getting out the last inserted ID which is 5, which was the 5. Okay, and I just use here the default time zone, Asia and Calcutta. I am from the India, that's why I am using here Asia / Calcutta, and you can use according to your country. Okay, so don't be confused. And after that the important line is that I just created a new variable, new barcode,
and I just concatenate here $PID, means I just concatenate here 5 and I concatenate from the PID this that method, and this that method I just use here HIS. So what is the meaning of HIS? So let me open the browser and let me open this, and you can see here on this website w3schools.com, and here you can see that method, and there are lots of things you can see here. Get a time, so we can get the time from this alphabets. Capital H means 24 hours format of an hour, 00 to 23, and small h means 12 hours format for an hour with leading zeros 01 to 12. So 01 to 12 we can get any value from here. So you can see here instead of h, here we get 12 because the time is now is 12. Okay, so after that I stand for the minute. We can fetch out the minutes from 00 to 59. So you can see here after the 12 08 means 12 hours 08 minutes, and I stand for seconds. Okay, so you can see here I is not for the seconds, I stand for minutes with leading 00 to 59. Okay, and S also for the second with leading 00 to 59. Okay, we can add here A also, AM or PM, but you can see here I is for the minute and S is for the second and H is for the hours. So here the time is 12 hours 08 minutes and 19 seconds, and we have concatenated the ID here. So every product ID is unique ID, so every barcode will generate uniquely. So don't be confused, this is the unique method for generating the barcode number for our products. Okay, you can use any method or any function from here. You can use this capital H also from here, and there are lots of things and long list. You can see the format, you can use lots of things from here. Okay, you can see the URL. So I hope you got this what I have done here. So let's go again, let's insert another records. For example, I am putting here sugar packet. Okay, 1 kg. Let's give here 5 kg. Okay, sugar packet 5 kg, and here I can select grocery and description 5 kg sugar packed. Okay, and we can give here any company name or anything as you want to give here, and stock quantity I can give here 500, purchase price I can give here 120, and the sale price is 200. And let's choose the picture, and in the picture you can see here there is no barcode, stickers or barcode number. So select this, and you can see here I am leaving empty this field, enter barcode. Okay, let's click on save, and you can see here there is no record for the sugar. So let's click on save button, product inserted successfully. Now let's refresh our database, TBL product. Perfect. Now you can see here the ID is 6 and the ID is PID, and you can see the 12 hours 14 minutes and 22 seconds. Perfect. So now we are able to generate our own barcode numbers for our products. So from the next videos or further videos, we will learn how can we generate the barcode stickers using of these numbers and also using of these numbers. So I hope you got this what I have done here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. This is the easy technique for generating the barcode numbers. Okay, so see you in next video.